Governance in Delhi. Why it is in the news? The Supreme Court's recent ruling allows the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi to independently nominate 10 aldermen to the Municipal Corporation of Delhi without consulting the Council of Ministers, leading to increased tension among the union government, the Delhi government, and the local administration. Evolution of Delhi government. In 1950, Delhi started as a Part C state. In 1956, during state's reorganization, Delhi became union territory under a administrator's governance. The Municipal Corporation of Delhi was formed in 1958, establishing a limited local government from 1966. 1991. The 69th constitutional amendments following the Balakrishnan Committee's recommendations granted Delhi a legislative assembly and council of ministers. However, public order, police, and land remained under the union government's control. The government of NCT of Delhi Act 1991 outlined provisions for Delhi's legislature, executive, and administration. Present issues: political conflict 2015 to present, ongoing disputes between the union government, BJP, and the Delhi government up over various matters. Modification to the Government of NCT of Delhi Act due to Supreme Court rulings have restricted to the powers of the elected Delhi government. MCD and the local governance. The MCD, along with its elected representatives, contribute to the challenges evident in recent incidents like fatalities from electrocution and flooding in Delhi. Elected officials blame shifting undermines public accountability. Proposed way forward. In its 2023 judgment, the Supreme Court highlighted the importance of a triple chain of accountability in a democracy. The ongoing power struggles disrupt this accountability chain. Potential structural changes. The NCT of Delhi spans 14,550 square kilometer with New Delhi covering about 50 square kilometer. One proposed approach similar to Washington DC suggests placing 50 to 100 square kilometer of New Delhi under complete central government jurisdiction while the rest falls under the Delhi Assembly's governance. Implementing this requires a constitutional amendment with adherence to the essence of the Supreme Court's 2023 ruling in the interim.